Hi everyone, welcome to Lazy Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today for the workout series Jewel, brought to you by Mon Moissanite, we've got the power and the fire of sapphire. This is going to be powerful, it's going to be fun, and it's going to be a little cheeky. So if you're ready for this, find a space in your home and let's do it. Before we start dancing, I wanted to let you know that we've got a surprise at the end of the series. And to take advantage of this, there is only one thing that you need to do. Go on Instagram and follow Lazy Dancer Tips and Mon Moissanite for the upcoming surprise. I'll give you more details later. But now, let's dance. Breathe. Lift up and down. Lift up and down. Lift up and down. First, 1, 2, 3. Push down. Again and lift. Push down. 2 seconds and lift. Push down. And 1 down. Push down. And go. Side, 2, 3, 4. Nice and long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And push, 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 push. 5, 6, 7, 8. With arms. Push aside. And down. 2 seconds, wiggle. Up, down, forward, change. Up, down, forward, change. 1, down, forward, change. 1, down, forward, change. Lift, down, and lift, down, lift. Down, ready to start again. And down, we go up, down, forward, change. Up, down, forward, change. 1, forward, change. Come on, use those abs. Forward, change. Breathe. And down, and breathe. And down, breathe. Down, breathe, side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With the arms, push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And down, and side, and down, side, and down. And down, swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Arms, push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the middle. 1, down, push, push. 1, down, forward, push, push. Even more. Down, forward, push, push. Push, push, lift, down, lift, down, lift, down. Very good. Keep on going. Shall we add a jump? Go. Up, down, forward, push, push. Up, down, forward, push, push. 1, down, forward, push, push. Up. Forward, push, push. 2, 3, 4, 5. With a swing, figure of 8. Figure of 8. Very good. Breathe. From here we go. And down. And push. And down. Great grab. 1 and push. Up and down. Again. 1 down. Push. Down. 1 and down. Push and breathe. Swing. And up. 2 seconds with a jump. Jump. Down. Forward. Push. Push. 1. Down. Forward. Push. Push like you mean it. Forward. Push. Push. 1. We're gonna go work on control. Very good. We're gonna move to the side. We go like you're running and down. Like you're running and down. One more. Very good. Chain. 1. Like you're running. Come on. 1. Again. 1. Down on the 2 this time. From there, pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1. You run. 1. You run. Hold it there. Pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And up. Push the leg back. And push the leg back. One more time. 1. Up to the sky. Very well done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the power of Sapphire. Remember to go on Instagram and follow Mon Moissanite and Lace Dancer Tips. And at the end of the Jewel series, I'm going to give you all the details of what you need to do for the fantastic surprise coming up. I'll see you next week for more Jewel workouts.